All right, well, my G9 Mark II has been turned off about a day and a half or so. So let's power it on and see about how long it takes. I'm just gonna, well, before I turn it on, I'm just gonna count 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. I don't know if it's not really super accurate for counting seconds, but close enough. Anyway, it's too long for the startup. So day and a half it's been sitting turned off. So let's just kind of see what it does. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000. Looks like it's ready to take a picture now. So that time it took about 4 seconds or so. Usually takes a little bit longer. Still don't understand what's going on with this. Check the playback review. So I just take a photo, press playback. So it's going a little quicker right now. There's a little bit of a delay. It's not too bad right now. It varies sometimes. I don't know why. And again, this was using the very best SanDisk V90 UHS-2 cards. It was the more recently released one that they had. They were like $110 a piece. So anyway, that's what it is today. I've seen it vary between 4 to 6 seconds or so for the startup.